let's dive into things here and we'll get things rolling. So last week, we pretty much had our biggest week of new user signups that we've had since November. So we had well over 1,000 people join in, new users last week. We're on track to basically double user growth this month, which is pretty exciting. And you guys are going to start seeing a lot of new faces come on. So there's going to be a ton of new people popping in all the time. Going forward now, we're going to start doing some more new user onboarding and welcome rooms to welcome in some of the new users as well. So if you aren't familiar with Entre, if you're maybe unsure of how things work or have questions on how to use the app, those rooms are going to be great for you. That's what like Sean will be leading, and he'll be helping users like get onboarded, and if they have questions about how to use the app and everything, that will be a great like new thing that we'll do. And we're going to try to do some more of those to engage with users better, and maybe some other like networking rooms and stuff for people to make relevant connections through the platform. And we can help facilitate that a lot through certain rooms that we'll be doing. I think right now a lot of people aren't really sure how best to use Entre and all the different features and functionality that we have here. And we want people to start doing that a lot more. If you haven't already, I'm just going to share my screen real quick. So a couple of things that we rolled out a little bit ago. Also, this is a great event and opportunity for people in Austin, that want to go to this event. I would definitely check this out. They're hosting this like crypto event in Austin. It's going to be pretty cool, and you'll have an opportunity to pitch your startup for 20 minutes. So definitely, if you're in the Austin area, reach out and do that for sure. But anyways, so a couple other things that you might not have seen yet that you should. Number one, updated the create flow. So it used to say create rooms or create a room, and now we split that into live streams and meetings. So we want people to do more live streams. We want people to leverage this to grow their following, to connect with users, to do a bunch of things on the app, right? To grow their following if they are a content creator. So as a content creator, you'll be able to host live streams, and then meetings, you can do an instant meeting or a scheduled meeting, right? So a meeting is anytime you're trying to connect with anyone, like you'll be able to send them a meeting. You'll be able to create whatever room, test them or whatever. And if you click start meeting, you're going to have an instant private room that you'll be able to send anyone and do a virtual meeting, for free instantly. If you're a pro user, they'll be able to join that meeting room as a guest as well. And you would be able to record that meeting as well as a pro user too. So the goal is we want to help a lot of people replace some of this other software that's out there to make it easier for them to do meetings and everything going forward. But yeah, so those are a couple of big things. We're going to be updating the UI of the marketplace and making that process easier. You'll also be able to upload your resume directly when you apply for jobs, and that will get saved on your profile, so that if you're looking for jobs or opportunities in the future, you can just click one button and it will automatically save your resume for next time. That's going to be a lot easier. If you haven't checked out the marketplace in a while, we have a lot of cool new things that are getting listed here. We need I don't know why there are so many of these Amazon things, but I know that we're going to start getting rid of those because I think they're not, I don't know who's posting those, but anyways, besides those, there's a bunch of really great opportunities, internships, and also jobs for a lot of like really well-known and high-level crypto and blockchain companies posting their jobs and stuff on here. So we're going to be posting new jobs and stuff every single day. There's a lot of great opportunities here for people who are looking for offers and stuff and jobs and gigs. We're going to be rolling out more and more stuff here as well as we continue to like build this out for everybody. And yeah, besides that, a couple other highlights. We're going to be rolling out our creator program as well relatively soon. So that's one of the things that is going to be likely pretty intriguing for a lot of people on here that are interested in creating content and actually making money to do so. We'll keep everyone posted once that rolls out and once that's live, so people can actually earn more money on their content as well here and doing live streams and all sorts of stuff. And besides that, let me see what else is on our list here. So we're going to have video on mobile very soon as well. So all of you who are using the app on mobile, you'll be able to join meetings and live streams and all that directly from your phone on video, which will be really cool for, I think, a lot of people who are using that update, because right now it's been kind of annoying. It's been only audio. We're updating the onboarding flow to be a little bit better and get people, into the platform faster and more efficient. Besides that, I think that's mostly all the stuff that I wanted to cover. We have another, few things, but for right now, we're focusing on just like updating this version of the app and making the app faster and better across the board. So I do also know that we have, Sean, did you get that giveaway out so that we can share that with people who are on DSO?
We do that right now. Yeah.
What is the giveaway that you're giving away, Sean?
Yeah, the giveaway is 3 diamonds for anybody from DSO that posts from Entre to the DSO blockchain.
All right. Well, yeah, keep a lookout for that, I guess. We'll have that posted. And then, Juan, anything that you want to mention on the product side or development side that I missed?
No, I guess you cover almost everything. We are, as usual, working on fixing any bugs and issues. We're holding a little bit on the latest build because we are testing video from mobile. We want to make sure that everything is flawless as much as possible. And well, a bunch of like little UI navigation and like non-critical changes. But yeah, we should have a new build by the end of the week, probably published to the app stores. So we'll let you know, guys, when that happens.
Got it. Yeah, Hybert just posted notifications when someone you follow posts. So the only problem with that is at scale, that's going to be really annoying. It's something that we could do, but I think it's better to structure it where you can turn on notifications for certain people and turn off. Like, I think it's better as a opt-in thing than an opt-out thing, if that makes sense. So I think that's really the approach there. Is we don't want people bombarded with notifications. We want you to get the right notifications for the things that you're most interested in and that are the most relevant for you. So it would probably get annoying, especially if someone posts like 3 times in a row where you're just going to keep getting notifications for so many people. So it's going to be better to do an opt-in thing for notifying you when someone posts. Next question, like have an option to, yeah, exactly. Yeah, just like how Twitter does it. That's going to be the best way that we'll probably do the same thing. Do you think you can recreate the failed LinkedIn groups effort? Yeah, I mean, we're going to be working on that. Ty, that's part of like our communities feature that we will be rolling out with our new inbox. So for those of you who are interested in creating a community and being a part of like that early access, you're going to want to come right here to join the wait list for signing up with a community. So we kind of wanted to restructure that a little bit differently because we are going to be creating business profiles and rolling that out as well, so that basically there's going to be companies using Entre a lot, and it's something that we want people to be able to use it as a team thing, but also as a community too, if they want. So we're trying to figure out the best way to really do this proper and make sure that we have this structured in the right way before we really before we roll it out, because it's a big feature and we want to make sure that we do it right. But yeah, it's going to function very similar to, it's going to function very similar to Slack and Discord. I don't think Experiments is working, Juan. Is that updated?
No, not yet.
So yeah, we've kind of shown what it looks like and how it functions a little bit. I know some people have already seen parts of it. We're going to be updating it a little bit and reworking that flow because we just want to get it right. But we have a lot going on already, and we're refactoring how we do messages already. And we're going to continue to, make sure that that experience is good, and we'll continue adding onto there because we have a lot going on. We have direct DMs, we have room chat in all these rooms and meetings and events. We have group messages already built out too. So we want to make sure that all of these things are working properly as we grow. Okay. Yes. All right. Any other questions? Okay, cool. Well, like the dog. There's Bella. All right. Anyone else got anything before we wrap up here? Close out early.
Giveaways up. I dropped the link in the room chat.
Okay, so this is for. All right. So the tricky part. Okay, so what you'll need to do, I just want to make sure that people who are watching this understand how to do this as well. Because it's posted on Diamond, right? So what you're going to want to do is if you post, and we're not really promoting this too much to people who are on Entre. This is more people who are in the DeSo ecosystem. If you aren't familiar with DeSo, it's the decentralized blockchain that we're building on, and there's other apps like Diamond that are built on top of DeSo as well. But anyways, if you have your DeSo account connected, right, on Entre, meaning you have a DeSo wallet, you either logged in or signed up with that, you'll be able to see that right here. So you can see that my DeSo, here's my DeSo wallet, here's how much DeSo I have in my wallet right here. If you don't have this, then you'll say connect your DeSo account right here. So if you connect your DeSo account and come here to create a post, make sure that this post to DSO is on, and then you paste in, what you're working on, where you're from, and what you're looking for as far as who you're trying to connect with or things that you're trying to do. And you post that, you will get 3 diamonds on your post. 3 diamonds is basically equated to,
worth a lot.
Yeah, it's actually not as much as I thought. But anyways, you'll get about 7 cents, which, if the price of DSO goes up, that will actually be a lot more. But it's free money. It's not a lot, but it's free money and it's a super easy post. So if you have your DSO account
right now,
get your money, get your crypto, and that will allow you to do more on the app and everything else. For people who don't know as well, if you just post content, most of the time the Entre account will give you diamonds anyway. So most of the time, if you're creating content on Entre, you're going to get some crypto on your post like every single time anyway. So there's people who are making, it's not a ton of money, but it adds up, right? You're probably making $1 or $2 a week, here or there, depending on how many people, give you crypto on it. But you're not making any money on Twitter or Instagram unless you're an influencer. So leverage that, leverage the community. And, we want people to actually get rewarded for contributing to the platform. But yeah, with that being said, I don't see any other questions coming through. So yeah, let me know, Miriam, you have something?
Yeah, so when I make money on Clout Feed on my post there, my diamonds, does that transfer over to my wallet over here in Entre?
Yes, the same wallet.
Okay, cool.
All the same thing. So someone could tip you. I mean, you can't actually tip anyone on Clout Feed because it's a mobile app, but you're getting the notifications from it, right? So when someone tips you on the DSO blockchain, they could tip you or support you from Entre and give you diamonds. They could give you diamonds from BitClout. They could give you diamonds from Diamond. They could give you diamonds from any of the apps, and it's going to go to the same wallet, right? That's how it works, because it's on the blockchain and it's all the same thing. So it's the same wallet. You just sign into different apps and you're using different apps with that wallet. All right. I think that's it. If anyone needs anything, let us know. Hit us up. We're going to be rolling out a better way to contact support as well. So you'll be seeing that actually in your DMs going forward now. So we're going to work on adding that here soon. That should be live hopefully by the end of the month. And then the plan right now is to roll out Entre 3.0 in the first or second week of June. So we'll keep everyone posted. If you have questions, hit us up, let us know. And besides that, enjoy your week, have some fun, make some money out there. Let us know how we can help. See you, everyone.
If you'd like to connect and network with other like-minded people, entrepreneurs, investors, freelancers, and startups, check out our app or go to our website, joinentre.com. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. If there's anything that we can do to help you, please reach out to us and let us know.